Back in the early days of smartphones, Facebook Messenger used to be built right into the Facebook app on your phone, which meant you only needed a single app to use every feature of the site right on your iPhone 3GS or Motorola Droid. In 2014, however, the unthinkable happened. Facebook removed the Messenger tab from the app, moving it to its own application that required an additional download from users. While many of us have gotten used to using a separate app for messaging, plenty of people still have objections to being forced to download a whole new app to communicate online. If you're trying to avoid using the actual Messenger app, you aren't out of luck. Though workarounds are limited, it's totally possible to use Messenger on your phone without the app. Let's get started. Grab your phone and open the browser to get started. Head to Facebook's mobile site and make sure you're logged in. Tap on the Messenger icon in the top menu bar to load your messages. Although it doesn't look quite as nice as Messenger's usual app, you can start new messages and groups, view and reply existing chat threads, view older messages, and even check out who's active online. Instead of being forced to leave Messenger open in your browser at all times, you can add a shortcut to your home screen instead. On iOS, tap the Share icon, then select Add to Home Screen to add a shortcut to your Messages page. If you're using Chrome on Android, tap the triple dotted menu icon in the top right corner of the app, then select Add to Home Screen. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Facebook and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.